Hey there, fellow travelers. Welcome back to Travel Troop. Today, we have an exciting adventure in store for you as we explore the vibrant and dynamic city of Seoul, South Korea. Seoul is a city that seamlessly blends tradition and modernity, offering a unique cultural experience like no other. In this video, we're going to take you through our top 5 must-visit destinations in Seoul that will leave you in awe. So, let's dive right in. 1. Gyeongbokgung Palace. Our first stop is none other than the magnificent Gyeongbokgung Palace. Nestled in the heart of Seoul, this palace is a symbol of South Korea's rich history and architectural prowess. Don't miss the mesmerizing changing of the guard ceremony, a vibrant display of tradition and precision. You'll be transported back in time as you explore the beautifully preserved halls, gardens, and the awe-inspiring throne room. 2. Bukchon Hanok Village. Step into the past as you enter Bukchon Hanok Village. This charming neighborhood is a true gem, showcasing traditional Korean architecture amidst a modern cityscape. Get lost in the maze of narrow streets lined with beautifully preserved Hanok, traditional Korean houses. It's a photographer's paradise, offering countless Instagram-worthy spots. 3. Myeongdong Shopping Street. Get ready for a shopping extravaganza at Myeongdong Shopping Street. This place is a shopper's paradise, featuring everything from high-end boutiques to street food stalls. Don't forget to indulge in some mouth-watering Korean street food while you explore the latest fashion trends. Myeongdong comes alive in the evening with vibrant street performances and a lively atmosphere. 4. Namsan Seoul Tower. For breathtaking panoramic views of Seoul, look no further than Namsan Seoul Tower. Perched atop Namsan Mountain, this iconic landmark offers a bird's-eye view of the entire city. Take a cable car ride up the mountain, enjoy the mesmerizing love locks, and witness the city's transformation as it lights up at night. It's a romantic and awe-inspiring experience you won't want to miss. 5. Insadong. Our journey concludes in the artistic and cultural district of Insadong. This area is a treasure trove of traditional Korean arts and crafts, offering a glimpse into Korea's artistic heritage. Explore the numerous art galleries, savor a traditional tea ceremony, and be captivated by the vibrant street performances. It's the perfect place to immerse yourself in Korean culture. And there you have it, our top 5 must-visit destinations in Seoul. From the historic Gyeongbokgung Palace to the modern shopping paradise of Myeongdong, Seoul has something to offer every traveler. We hope this video has inspired you to plan your own adventure in this incredible city. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss our future travel guides. Thanks for joining us on this journey, and until next time, happy travels!